In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add multiple columns in a Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. After logging in, click Website, select Edit Site, and open the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where you'll find all the elements and layout tools for your website. If your page already has a 2-column layout, you can easily create additional columns. Simply drag a new element from the left panel and move it beside an existing element. When you see the placement guide appear next to the current column, drop the element into position. Weebly will automatically create another column and adjust the layout to fit your content. You can repeat this process to add 3, 4, or even more columns depending on your page design and the space available. After creating your columns, you can drag text, images, buttons, or other elements into each column to build your layout. If needed, adjust the spacing by dragging the column dividers until you're happy with the appearance. Once you've finished arranging your content, save and publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to add multiple columns in a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.